Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of BAS Post. Welcome to this Business Advisory Services update. Title is no longer king. That is the consequence of the Personal Property Securities Register, which was introduced via the Personal Property Securities Act. This legislation is titled Personal Property, but in fact, personal property is business property. Why it was called personal property, I have no idea. And I've never heard anyone being able to clearly explain why. But it is business property, and it is everything except land and buildings attached to land. So it covers your debtors. It covers motor vehicles, computers, temporary buildings that you might use on work sites, plant and equipment of all types, and a whole range of other assets that, if you wish to safeguard, they need to be registered on a government register called the Personal Property Securities Register. This is a major risk area for businesses. Over $450 million has been lost by Australian businesses through ignorance or misunderstandings of this legislation. That's a lot of money. Now, about $65 million of that related to a top 100 international company. So if they can make a mistake, and they fought all the way to the full Supreme Court of New South Wales and lost because they had not registered an asset on the PPSR. But the majority of cost has been borne by SMEs. I would assume basically through ignorance of the legislation. For accountants, I think it's very important that you are continually raising with your clients the risks that they are running if they are not registering their assets on the Personal Property Securities Register. Because none of us would like to come into our offices first thing of a morning and have a distraught client waiting to talk to you because they have found out that an asset has been seized by a liquidator, receiver, or trustee in bankruptcy. We're running a special webinar on Thursday, 11th of November at 1 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, 2 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, where we're going to look at the system that has been developed by ESS BIZTOOLS for accountants, business advisors, bookkeepers, chief financial officers, to use with SME clients to help them minimize the risk of being caught by this legislation. To register, please go to our website, www.essbiztools.com.au. I look forward to talking to you then. Have a great day. Goodbye.